Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today I'm bringing you guys along with me to show you how I'm going to organize my palettes in the back there. You can't see it, but I'm pointing at them. My palette organization is a disaster. I have too many. I need to declutter and then reorganize them. I bought some things that you guys saw in my haul video, which was Wednesday's video. And I bought some of these envelope file holder things that I want to use my palettes for, and I'm going to declutter and then reorganize my palette section and see if I can fix it, if by any means I can. Hopefully I can, but yeah, so you guys get to watch me do that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have fun watching me struggle. Bye! Hey guys, so this is where I store all my palettes. It's like the bottom shelf of this wood storage thing, and they're just like loose. So as you can see, I have a ton of palettes just laying here, and I'm going to try to organize them into these metal envelope holders that I showed you guys in my haul. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to declutter some of my palettes. So I'm going to take all my palettes off here, put them in a pile, and then decide which ones I want to get rid of, and then start putting them in the file envelope thingies. So I decided I would take you along on this journey because I don't know how hard this is going to be. So yes, let's start. This is gonna be awful. So let me get the palettes down here on the floor instead of up here, so then we can move, you know, all this stuff and make room. So let's do that. Okay, can you see this mess? These are all my palettes. Dear God, help me. Okay, and these are the file envelope thingies. I don't know what these are called. To be honest, I keep calling them envelope folders, but I don't know if that's what they are. So we'll just move this to the side. So let's go through these palettes and decide what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. And then we'll organize from big to small. So let's scoot these back a little bit, and we'll make some piles. You can see me. Oops, sorry. Okay. So let's make some piles, shall we? Let's turn you like this. Okay, let's make some piles. So first we're gonna organize into what I am keeping. So for sure, I'm gonna keep all my ABH palettes. So I have the Prism palette, the ABH Norvina palette, Modern Renaissance, and Subculture. I'm 100% keeping all 4 of these because I love ABH a lot, and I'm going to keep them. So I'm gonna put them over, I'm gonna put them over here. You can't see them, but that's my keep pile, okay? So next, let's look at this. This is the Morphe 3502, yes, I'm gonna keep that. Blood Sugar, 100% keeping. Alien palette, just bought it, so keeping. I'm gonna keep all my ColourPop palettes because, which I have the Zodiac, Dream Street, Element of Surprise, and Good Sport, keeping all of those. Let's see how many I actually declutter, because this could be, okay, let's see this. This is the Kat Von D Saint Sitter palette. I am no longer using Kat Von D ever, and I don't even really like this palette. As you can see, it's eh. So this is going in the get rid of pile, which will be back here. This is my Jaclyn Hill palette, keeping. The Jaclyn Hill Vault, also keeping. This is the Morphe 35 A, which I am also keeping. Oops, put it over here. Let's see, this is the Morphe 35B. I don't really use this anymore. The formula is whatever. I have my James Charles palette now, which is more colorful, so I think I'm going to get rid of this. This is the Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette I bought from Hot Topic. I did a blog post on it. It's alright. I'm gonna get rid of it though, because I don't even use it. Oh no, I forgot a ColourPop palette. This is the Sabaje palette. I just bought this, keeping it. This is the, oh god, this is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights collaboration that was forever ago. It's discontinued. I'm keeping it because I love Kathleen. This is just a mishmash. I have a blush and some ColourPop loose shadows. I'm gonna keep that. This is the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I am also keeping that. This is the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics Deluxe Edition. Honestly, it's super pretty, but I don't use it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. These are the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Too Faced Just Peachy. I love them both. Keeping. This is the Sephora Pro palette. It was so expensive, and I don't use it a ton, but I'm gonna keep it just for a little longer in case I decide to, you know, use it. Oh, sorry guys, this hurts. Okay, this is the LA Girl Eye Lux palette, or like little quad kind of thing. It sucks. I'm gonna get rid of it. This is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. It's horrible. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, let's see. This is the City Mini palette by Shayla and Maybelline. It's just a little eyeshadow palette. I really like it, so I'm going to keep it. This is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette I got in the BoxyCharm a couple months ago. I'm keeping it because I like it. This is the Winky Lux palette that I also got in a BoxyCharm. It's the Kitten palette. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know. I don't know if I should, but I'm gonna keep it. Let's look. These are my Juvia's Place palettes. I have one other one, but it's not in this pile. This is the Magic. I'm gonna keep that one. This is the new The Tribe palette. I'm gonna keep that one. This is the Warrior, which I do not like, so I'm getting rid of. My Violet Voss palettes, I'm gonna keep all 3 of these. This is my Tartlet Toasted, which I love. Gonna keep. This is my Morphe 25A, not 30, 25A. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Don't use it a ton, but I really like it. And then these are the last things. So I have 2 Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I have the Smoky Obsessions and the Emerald Obsessions. I'm gonna keep both. I don't love the Smoky Obsessions as much, but I love this silver, so I keep it for that. This is the Natasha Denona, what's it called? Cranberry palette. Love this. Keeping. This is the NYX Fire palette, which I don't use a ton, but it is so pretty and I need to use it more. So I'm going to keep it. And then this is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1. Is that how you say it? Caribe? Reina del Caribe? Sure. Volume 1. I love it. I'm keeping it. Oh, I'm missing palettes. Hang on. This is the Juvia's Saharan 2, which I forgot about. I'm keeping that. The NYX Ultimate Colorful one. I love this. Keeping. And then the Gemini Melt Cosmetics palette, which I am obsessed with, so I am keeping that. So, all in all, I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's not awful, I guess. Great. So, let's organize these palettes, shall we? this is what it looks like now. I don't know how I feel about this. I almost feel like I should get rid of this one and get a medium-sized one and keep my littler palettes in here. I don't know. Like, it looks pretty good. Like, look at it. Like, can you even see? Let's stop. It looks pretty good. It looks better than it did before, I think. But I'm not... I don't know how I feel about this. It looks nicer. I just don't know about my mini palettes. I'm wondering if I should get a small one of those envelope holders or maybe two and use those instead of this second big one. Yes, I just used my foot to show you, sorry. But maybe instead of this one, have two medium ones and then have this one for my larger palettes. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look okay? Does it look bad? What does it look like? Let me know in the comments down below. Does this suck? I don't know. I can't tell. I have no idea. Let me know your comments and thoughts. I think it looks better than it did before, but I'm not 100% sure. Help me.